Hello, my dear friend. I'm Jackie from MH Technology Group. Now, it is nearly 11 p.m. Our engineers and I are checking the body temperature screen system for you. Yes, because now the demand is very, very huge. We must do something to fight against coronavirus. Yes. So we are going to provide the real intelligent and the real dual light temperature screen system. You can see that in the left side it is the thermal images very clear, and in the right side it is the daylight. Yes, daylight images very clear. It has the face recognition. 放大一点，一个，对。Okay, if you want to only use one color images, okay, no problem. And it can change to black and white color. 把它换成黑白。大一点。Yes, very clear, right? And then 换成白光的。小刘，你的脸多向外走一点，小刘。对。Yes, very clear images. Okay, and then if somebody have abnormal temperature, what it will be? You can hear some voice. 那个暖水袋，声音好大。体温异常。Yes, there have some sound like 体温异常。体温异常。In English, it means the temperature is not normal. Then you can see that this system will automatically catch the face recognition who has the abnormal temperature. 再看一下，找到他的照片，找到他的照片，体温高的照片。对，最后这个打开，点开它，就是这边。You can see that this boy, the temperature is higher, right? So very clear, catch his face. We can stop him and ask him some questions, right? And you may wonder what the advantages of our thermal cameras. Actually, we are using the real intelligent dual sensors, intelligent algorithm for visible camera, and 再回到原地，赵总，你们回去，好。And the thermal imaging camera system, face detection, accurate temperature measurement, low false alarm, and the accuracy of temperature is plus and minus 0.3. Also, we are using intelligent alarm supporting temperature threshold setting and automatic screening warning mechanism, real-time alarm for abnormal body temperature. The images very, very clear, and it is now a contact temperature measurement. Reduce the risk of cross-infection. You choose us. You choose the best quality body temperature screen systems. Thank you.